I'll be back with that story after this message.
Hey guys, Mac here with WhoopSaaS. All right, I want to take you really quickly now through each section of the process that I teased you with and kind of laid a general framework for in the previous WhoopSaaS whiteboard sessions. So there's my Marketing Universe Cloud up top as usual, and I've broken apart the very top of the funnel, also known as ToFu, and we're talking about generating marketing qualified leads. So let's just talk about ToFu really quickly. This is where the marketing team works on messaging and positioning. What is the message that you want to send, relevant information, and broadcast it out there, and to whom? Where do you position yourself in the marketplace to the target buyer persona and the target account profiles, and then the buyer personas within that you want to attract and appeal to. The traffic to your website at this stage are classified as learners, is one way to think about them. These are folks that are not really close to self-selecting or being in a buying motion, but they're definitely learning, and they want to build awareness about what's out there to help them solve their problem or to help them chase the pleasure that they're after. So some examples of marketing content that is relevant here above and beyond your website is a blog posts, video testimonials, those sorts of things. This is high level stuff that if I'm a visitor to your website, I can get an idea of if you have relevant information for me to look at on how well you can solve my problem. And then video testimonials are a very high level way for people to see other organizations that might be similar to them and how you've solved their problem. So this is very high level. You don't want to send your market developers or your BDRs, your outbound salespeople at these folks if they're filling out contact forms to get to gated content or subscribing to your blog post notifications. Don't sick your sales team on these folks. You might scare them off at this level. Once we get down and talk about MOFU in the next video, I'll speak a little bit more to how you can kind of have a hybrid approach in some cases of allowing BDRs or market developers on the outbound function to reach out to those folks. So this is ToFu. Again, messaging and positioning. These are the people that are in the learners stage, the awareness stage of consumption. And these are some examples of what your marketing team can be working on here to really fulfill this stage of high-level marketing qualified leads. Hope that makes sense. As always, I'm down to have a conversation if you are. This is Mac with WhoopSaaS. Talk to you guys soon.